Are you ready to embark on a journey of financial freedom? Well, I have something special for you. Picture this, a world where you are in control of your destiny, where your passion meets your profit. In this video, we'll be exploring 10 incredible business ideas that have the potential to make you money and pave the way for your success. From creative ventures to service-based industries, we'll cover a range of opportunities that are ripe for the taking, so get ready to ignite your entrepreneurial spirit and carve your own path to success. Let's kick off our journey with business idea number 1, which is an e-commerce store. In the digital age, e-commerce has exploded and starting your own online store has never been easier. We'll explore the ins and outs of setting up a successful e-commerce business, from sourcing products and building a user-friendly website to implementing effective marketing strategies. So with this, you're going to get ready to tap into the vast potential of online retail. To start a store, you're going to start an e-commerce store on weblisite.com, which is linked in the description. We have an e-commerce theme that allows you to start selling products online. Then to source for products, you're going to go to AliExpress, and you can use AliExpress dropshipping center to find a product that you can start selling. And once you find a buyer, then you can look for a vendor who is going to deliver these products directly to the consumer, so you do not have to interact with any products on your end. Now let's transition to business idea number 2, which is a subscription box service business. Subscription boxes have become all the rage, offering curated packages of products delivered right to customers. So to start this business, what you need to figure out is how to source these unique products, how to create enticing themes, and how to build a loyal customer base. With this, you'll become a king of surprise and delight to your customers, and they'll be able to pay for these subscription packages month over month. But wait, there's more. Let's move on to idea number 3, which is a digital marketing agency. In today's digital landscape, businesses need expert guidance to navigate the complexities of online marketing. As a digital marketing agency, you'll offer services like social media management, SEO, content creation, and more. With this, you're going to help businesses thrive in the digital realm and drive their success while they continue paying you a monthly retainer to offer them these services. Transitioning to business idea number 4, which is a personal fitness trainer business. With health and wellness on the rise, becoming a personal fitness trainer is a lucrative business opportunity. With this world of fitness, you'll need to explore how to obtain the necessary certifications, develop customized training programs, and build a strong client base. With this, you're going to help transform lives and individual fitness, and they are going to pay you for these services. Moving on to business idea number 5, which is a mobile app development business. With this age of smartphones, the demand for mobile apps continues to soar. With this business model, you're going to create user-friendly interfaces and launch successful apps for other businesses or entrepreneurs. With this, you're going to help them launch these apps on the App Store or even on the Play Store, and they're going to pay you for this service. Let's look at business idea number 6, which is a virtual event planning business. In the wake of digital revolution, virtual events have become the new norm. In this business, you're going to delve into the world of virtual event planning, from organizing engaging webinars and conferences to coordinating virtual networking sessions. With this, you're going to create unforgettable online experiences and connect people from around the globe. And these people are going to pay you a service fee for organizing these events for them. But wait, there's even more. Let's move on to business idea number 7, which is sustainable product manufacturing. As environmental consciousness grows, the demand for sustainable products is on the rise. In this business model, you're going to explore the world of sustainable product manufacturing, from using eco-friendly materials to adopting ethical production practices. In this, you're going to make a positive impact on the planet and meet demand for sustainable alternatives. This business, however, is cash intensive. Now let's dive into business idea number 8, which is a freelance writing and copywriting business. If you have a way with words, freelance writing and copywriting can be a rewarding business venture. You'll need to uncover the secrets of crafting persuasive content, attracting clients, and delivering high quality writing that resonates with their audiences. With this, you are going to turn your passion for writing into a profitable career. You can use writeall.ai to write all your content. Transitioning to business idea number 9, which is a home staging and interior design business. When selling a house, you want to create stunning interiors. Home staging and interior design offer incredible opportunities. Here, you'll need to know how to transform spaces, maximize their appeal, and create environments that buyers or homeowners will love. With this, you're going to unleash your creativity and make homes shine. Finally, let's unveil business idea number 10, which is a personalized gift shop business. In a world of mass-produced items, personalized gifts stand out. In this business, you need to uncover the secret of running a personalized gift shop, from sourcing unique products to offering customization options. With this, you're going to help people express their love and appreciation through thoughtful and personalized gifts, and this is how you're going to turn it into a business. And there you have it, 10 incredible business ideas that can kickstart your business journey. Each idea presents a unique opportunity to showcase your skills, fulfill a market need, and make a meaningful impact. It's time to take the leap, choose the idea that resonates with you, and turn your passion into a profitable business.